Okay, wheels. I promised wheels. We're going to go over the wheels. I'm sure no one is surprised. These are the wheels off the 2001 Boxer S. This is the rear, so it is a 255 4017, and these are General G-Max. So I bought an entire set, front and rear, all had G-Max all the way around. The problem I mentioned were the front tires had the G-Max on the front also, but they were 205/50 on the sidewall 17, which made it too tall to fit under the strut. So that was another one of my holdups. I went and switched them out for some Firestone 205/4017. So they do fit, and we're gonna get them on the car. But also with the wheels, I had to pick up 20 of these special lug nuts to go with the wheels, and I was lucky enough to get all the the center caps to go with it. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them, but better than leaving them open. And the other benefit I'm going to have is my push for getting wheels, so I can put the entire car in these wheel dollies, and then I can move the car around and start working on other things. So let's quit messing around and let's get the wheels on the car. Alright, here's just another closer look. Unfortunately, all four wheels are thrashed up like that. So someone laid them face down on probably the garage floor at some point. So I have to fix all four of these also. In the process, I'm probably just going to paint them all black. Not sure how I feel. Here's another closer look at the center caps. And these are the lug studs that go with the Porsche. On its own weight finally. I haven't made any suspension adjustments yet, and luckily I widened this here fender because it looks like that's going to fit. And if I bring you around to the other side, I have not widened this fender yet. and you can see sticks out 1.5 inches. And I was only able to widen this fender 1.5 inches. So it's almost like I thought this stuff out. And on the front, we still have some positive camber and some toe in on either side. I'll just adjust that out, and the camber we can adjust when I get coilovers. We're gonna do a steering test, see if we have any interference. Go ahead, Frankie, turn it to the right. All right, so it looks like we're good there too. All right, we're just gonna take a quick shot underneath to see if we're having any clearance issues. So we're good all the way up. No interference all the way around. All right, so now that I have space over here, I got some room to work. I'm gonna cut this quarter panel and widen it just like I did the driver's side. And then from there, we'll go on to other things. All right, so here it is. Got wheels on it. I'm really happy how it turned out. The thing's sitting on its own weight. I'm able to move it around and I can work on other stuff. So thanks for watching. See you next time.